Hi, it's Alaska Granny. Have you ever changed the batteries in your smoke alarm and then it still continued to beep? What can you do to make it stop beeping when you put in a fresh battery? It should be working fine. If you look on the back, there's a date. This one is 2014, October 10th. Smoke alarms are designed to last for 10 years. The 10 years are up. This is the third one that I've had that once it got to be 10 years old, it didn't matter when I changed the battery, put in a fresh battery, it just doesn't want to work anymore. So I guess it's time to replace it because you don't want to take any chances with your safety. So if your smoke alarm continues to beep, even after you've replaced the battery, check for the date and see if you need to just simply replace the actual smoke alarm. Here is the first alert 2-in-1 smoke and carbon monoxide alarm that I bought to replace the other one. And you can see it includes a 10-year battery, so you don't have to worry about ever changing the batteries again. It has an end-of-life warning, and you never have to replace the battery. So in 10 years, when it tells you, hey, I'm worn out, then you just go get another one. You don't have to mess with the batteries 2 times a year. This one was manufactured in 2024, June, and so in 2034, I'll need to replace it. I hope you'll like my video, share it with someone else you think needs this information. Please subscribe to the Alaska Granny channel.